According to Dr. Victor Gao, don't mess around with the prevailing biggest manufacturing power in the world in human history, because today China's manufacturing output is more than the combined manufacturing output of US, EU, Japan, and quite a few others. China's production of iron and steel is more than the next 10 largest iron and steel makers in the world combined together. So the first point I want to make is that President Trump and his administration should serve themselves better to have a more keener, a more accurate, a more pragmatic and realistic perception of what China is today. Dr. Gao is correct, but he understated the production capacity of China. According to an article by Richard Baldwin, the link is provided under this video, China is now the world's sole manufacturing superpower. Its production exceeds that of the 9 next largest manufacturers combined. According to another article by Pallavi Rao, China produces more than half of the world's steel supply, and this is more than the combined output of all the other world's countries. A table inside the article shows that in 2024, China produced 1 billion tons of crude steel, while the total output of 9 countries was 586.4 million tons, plus the rest of the other world's countries produced a combined output of 292.6 million tons. Yet for years now, the US has consistently placed restrictions on various Chinese products and American products just to choke China's progress. China is now using its dominance on rare earth elements and rare earth magnets to choke back. We believe China is justified. Consider this. In the last 40 years, China has lifted more than 850 million human beings out of severe poverty. China accomplished this without fighting wars, without any regime change, without invading any country, without engaging in colonialism and imperialism, and without blatantly pillaging other countries. In contrast, within the same period, how many human beings has the US lifted out of poverty? How many homeless people has the US created inside the US? How many unnecessary wars has the US fought, and how many millions has the US killed around the world in these wars? Some estimates suggest that the US has spent over $14 trillion in all the unnecessary wars since 2001. Imagine what that amount of money could have done inside the US. How many US citizens it could have lifted out of poverty.